Hi everyone, in before tutorial we seen how to move camera along with the player by using C# script. In this tutorial we'll see how to add fall detector into our gameplay. If you not seen any videos, the link was in description. You can find all tutorials. If you not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. Let's watch this amazing video. In before video have done movement of camera along with player. You can see how the smoothness of movement of camera you can see here. Yes, of course it's working, not bad. Yes, it's working. Now in this video I want to do that. So fall detector, that means if camera falls down, we have to know that camera again, the if the player falls down, sorry, the not camera. So in before video, I have done the movement of camera. So movement of camera along with the player. You can see how smoothness the camera is moving, how smoothness the camera is moving along with the player, and it's starting. Everything was nice. So in this video, what is the scenario means if player falls down. Suppose it falls here. Again, the player should start from starting position, this position. So this is my scenario here, so that we can call as a fault detector. That means if the player will falls down, automatically the detector should enter and should say that. So just right click here and create a object, empty object, name it as a fault detector. So if the player will falls down, you can see here, if the player is falls down, if the player is falls down, it's falling down, but I want to know that again the player start from this position. This is my scenario. So I just created an empty object, that is fall detector. That means fall detector means if the player falls down, automatically it should detect and should start this position. This is my scenario here. So before that, just I created a empty object, empty game object, and renamed as a fall detector. For this component I want to add a box collider. You can see box collider 2D. Just added the box collider. You can see here, just click this one and click the, I added the box collider. Just increase the size and move this box collider to here. Why I am keeping here, because if the camera is moving, along with that the box collider also move. If because what the properties are there, automatically this fall detector also have. So I want to keep this one as a child to main camera. You can see, sorry, you can keep, and now it's an child to main camera. So what's the properties are there to parent, that means main camera, all the properties will applicable to child, right? So just if I move, you can observe here, you can observe the scene window. If I'm moving, yes, of course the box collider is also moving. It can't view. Suppose we are playing the Super Mario games, in that having if the player is falling down, again starts from starting, and it start from again the game will start. So but it should not view, right? So that's why I'm taking the box collider. It should not view to uh, who's the playing the games. So that's why we taken, and if the camera is moving, along with that the box collider also moving. So this is the way, this is the usage of box collider. Just stop this, and we have to write some code, the box collider. So before adding that, just add this one. Just control C and control V. You can see here, just increase the size by using scale tool. Just increase the size here. Yes, increase the size by using scale tool, and just keep aside. Nothing should be there here. So you can keep like this and increase the size. And you should just copy and paste background also. So just see where the background is available. Think where I have kept the background, because the background also should there. Strikes. Okay, this is the background, right? So just copy this one and paste here, and just move the background. You can move the background, and it's not just, it's like a attaching both. Just by using rotate the tool, rotate this background and tool, just keep aside. Yes, we done. It's not bad and it's not good also. Then now we have to set this platform. Just Control C, Control V, and move this side. Should be, both should be same side, same size. And if the player falls here, what happens? If the player falls here, what happens? So we are working on that. So fall detector should start the position from starting also. So now we'll come with another video how the checkpoints are added and how the changes the color of checkpoints, everything we'll do with another video. I hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel, because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos, and do like and share also. And if you want to ask anything, just do comments. I'll really